Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Heart Evangelista, patuloy pa rin sa kanyang mga ganap sa Paris, France para sa Fashion Week 2024. Sa mga videos ni Heart, talagang kapansin-pansin ang kanyang natatanging estilo at ang mga OOTDs na nagpapakita ng mga gawa ng kilalang designer. Ang kanyang mga suot ay hindi lamang eleganting tingnan, kundi nagpapahayag din ng kanyang personalidad at tatak sa fashion. Sa bawat kaganapan, nadarama ang kanyang confident aura na ginagawang inspirasyon para sa marami. Ang kanyang kakayahang magdala ng mga high fashion na pananamit, jewelries, bags at sandals ay patunay sa kanyang status sa industriya.
Ha? Mapupunit. Also that chalk. Ice chocolate. CFO is here. Kaya ko to. Good morning, people of the world. Today we have Loewe. Then we have a shoot. This is because all thanks to you guys, because you made this sold out. It's a secret and I cannot say. After that, so we can't show much. After that, we do Victoria Beckham. And then after that, I have a Louboutin event. That's what we're doing today. It's gonna be fun, as usual. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to give you the energy that I have. Yes.
Better if you are on the other side. I love it so much. Thank you. Appreciate it. All good.
Hi! Maginaw ba? Hindi siya bata aircon. Paki-off yung aircon. Paki-off yung aircon! Ba't ganon? Masaya ka ko ah. Masaya. Sana masaya ka ko ah. Bukas na lamig. Oh my God, it's gonna be so cold. Hindi daw tayo darating. The show dear is at 2:30 eh. So much. Gusto ko yung may kulay talaga. I feel better now.
With just the
Where I had a little launch before here when I had my collaboration with Gaz Bijou. I think that was like mga 4 or 5 years ago. Yung gold na, ganda. It would take me approximately 2 hours and something to walk. Or almost 3. And then pag walapit na dumilim, uwi na ako sa tatakot ako.
You already have a win.
Wait a minute, this is too deep, too deep. Gotta change the station so I turn it back.
Sige, go. Kahit yung talagang hindi ko na maramdaman yung katawan ko. Gusto mo spray na? Feeling ko ito na yung mamaya ko sa Victoria Beckham. And again, don't forget, by next year, we're going to have a price increase. So, minus the tax, which is 13-14%. Yung umaga, dear, nag-get ready with me, di ba? Pumayag tayo. Acris, sa Acris Day yun. Dear, sabi mo Hermes. Acris yun. It's for Acris. Kasi sa Fashion
Iba pa pala to. Iba pa pala.
Iba pa to. Confirm din na makakapunta kay Darling Louboutin.
Confirm ka na
Parang
nga.
umiinit na yung lumalabas sa ilong ko. Hindi kasi ako nagsha-shopping eh. Nung nagsha-shopping ako, medyo tumataas yung energy ko, pero I've changed. Not yet! Who said I'm raising the white flag?
You ready?
I'm done with the shoot, and now we're getting ready for the last show. Gusto kong mahimatay. Stress ako. But we did it. Ito lang yung sinulid dito.
Il est tout chouette. On le fait au sein immédiat. Attention derrière. S'il vous plaît.
That's I love it. But it is Victoria Beckham.
It's
Nice.
Slytherin.
This is deja vu.
Wow!
Yeah. Deja vu moment. Sakto yun.
Pero ang ganda
damay-damay na
kita
tayo.
namin. May magandang mangyayari. Charot.
Good night. Good night.
Sorry.
You can wear it with, you know, if you have like a long silk dress for an event that goes like that.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's already the one.
But this
With
is
the
nice.
gold band,
And that, I like that.
pwede rin white.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look at this. More, please. Yeah, very simple. Yeah, come on.
We love you hard. We love you hard. We love you hard. We love you hard.
Beautiful.